Hello everyone, in this short and simple tutorial I will show you how to blur the background in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here's the video that I want to blur its background, so I want only to see this person right here. So first make sure that in Windows you have the effects panel activated. Now go to the effects panel and search blur. Now you'll see the Gaussian blur effect, and we need to drag it and drop to the clip. Now go to the effect controls panel, and within Gaussian blur you will see here the blurriness, so I'm gonna turn it to a high value. And now if you notice, the edges of the video are looking a little bit dark, so in order to correct this you can click here where it says repeat edge pixels, and now it's fixed. So of course, as you notice, this has blurred all the screen, including the woman. So now we need to create a mask to select only the background and apply the effect only to the background. So click here where it says free draw bezier to create a mask, and now we can draw our mask around the woman. If you're a good drawer, you can click and move the mouse to make some curves. Like this. But if you're not that professional yet, you can just click and draw some points. Now you can correct some points if you misclick it by dragging them to the spot that you want to make this more accurate. Yeah. Now, as you see, we have only blurred the woman but not the background, so we need to invert this by clicking here where it says inverted. So now we got what we want. So we have here the background blurred. Of course, it's not so smooth. We can still see some sand next to the woman. This is because of the mask, of course, because we haven't created the best mask that was possible. So in order to correct this and make this look smoother, click on the clip, and again in effect controls we have here the mask expansion, so expand this a little bit, and then the mask feather, which is gonna make that the cross between the blurry background and the mask will look like progressively smoother, not that immediate. And of course you can still correct some of the points of the mask. I'm gonna do it. Now that I've finished retouching the mask, it looks a little bit smoother, but if I play this, you can see that the camera moves to the right in the video, so our mask stays at the same place, and we just see some sand, and the next of the background is blurred. But instead we should see only the woman and the rest blurred. So in order to move our mask together with the camera, we need to click here in the mask, and then we will drag the timeline marker up here to the place that the movement is starting. So in this case at the beginning of the video, and then click on the stopwatch here to create this keyframe. This little diamond will appear. It's called a keyframe. And now move the timeline marker to the spot that the movement ends. In this case it's the end of the video. Now click on the mask, and we need to move it to the current spot. I mean, to the current position of the woman. And now if I play this, we can see that the mask that we've created follows the woman. And that's it. We finished with this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.